Today, we're gonna put this thing together, I guess. So let's go ahead and get her out of the box. I do believe we may need something to cut it with. So here goes nothing. Should never cut towards yourself. Got some parts. It looks like this is the back. And maybe we'll take this out first. Looks like all the tools and everything you're gonna need. These look like some type of armrest. And this looks like the, that looks like the back. Yeah, that's the back. Let's take these things out. Oh yeah, we got lots of parts. This looks like the base. It's missing two things. And these are the wheels. And this is the cushion. That's the cushion. Get that out of there. And this looks like the mechanism for raising it and lowering it. And we have the arm sards. Okay. And we have another one. So you got a left and right one. All right, so that's everything that came in the box. Let's put that over there. Now we got to assemble it. Ugh. Here is all of our pieces, and now we just got to put it together. This right here is the only tool you need, and these are all of our parts to connect this chair together. So let's do it. Step one.
Right there.
We're going to put these in here, just like that. The reason it comes like this is because I don't think they can fit it in the box any other way. And it just requires 2 screws. And bam, we'll be ready for that. So the A1 screws, which are these 2, will go in here. One there and one there. So now we got to get this thing out of here. All right. Then we just got to get this on it and twist it. Nice and tight. Like a tiger. All right, done. Bam. All right, so now we can put the wheels on. I just got to give them a good push, and they push right in like that. Got to use a little elbow grease to get them in. One more. Or 2 more. Last one. Flip it over. Next part goes in like this. And that's your plunger for your top here. So now we just got to figure out which way this is going to go on. Showing A2 screws. So we got to find the A2s. Those are A3s. Should be 4 of them. I do believe these are the A2s. Yeah, A2s. So these A2s are going to go in here. So they did tell us that this is the front and that's the front. So you want this facing this. So I do believe we have this correct. Now all we got to do is get our screws, which we have 4 of them. And we'll just place them right in there. No big whoop. Cha-ching, cha-ching. I'm gonna hand screw them first and then I'll tighten them down with the tool. We're gonna put a chair together with one hand. It's gonna be awesome. And I may speed up some of these parts here. Okay, time for some tightening. All right, so you wanna tighten them up good. And I think I'm almost there. All right, next we're just gonna pick this thing up. We're gonna set it on there. Yeah, just like that. Bam. Done. Okay. We have a chair. And notice this one's left, so it's going to go on the other side. And this one over there is right. I got to grab it. Oh. All right, so that's right. Oops, dropped it. So these are going to go right on like that. Just going to screw them right on there. This may take a little bit of right, so I'm thinking we have to use these because that's all that's left. So we're going to do 2 of them. And I think I'll push them through there and then smush them on. This way, I got it flipped over this way. And now I think it'll be a little bit easier to get this in there. So you follow me? Like that. And you can go ahead and just set it right in there. All right, so here we are. So this is the best method. Flipping it over. And then screwing them in. Screwing them in. Takes a lot of screws. There we go. Looking good. Not bad. All right, so we got that arm on. Now we got to get this arm on. Okay, so now we got to put these on. I'm going to sit down on it for a second. And here's my holes right here, right? I'm going to bring this over here. I got my screw. I'm going to shove her through there. And now I can see where I'm doing it. There we go. Much easier. Get it started. Okay, let's get that one in there. Now let's do this one. There we go. So the fabric gets in the way, and that's what's keeping me from getting this to screw in. I think I might have it now. Okay, we're good. So you can't screw these up because one says right, one says left. So if you know your right from your left, I think you'll be okay putting this together. Looking good. Whoops. Jesus Christ. Cheap Chinese tools. Okay, that's it. That's on there.
Is there any way to
tight.
soundproof? Oh no, bugs. I was wondering how to.
Honey, try it out and see what you think.
Right.
We've got 2. We don't have a back on it yet, but have a seat. See what. Here. Go ahead. Try it out. Let me just tell me. Does it feel good?
Yes.
All right. Don't lean back.
Don't? Why?
No, don't, because I got to put the back on. The next thing we got to put on is the back. And the way you figure out which side goes up is you look for those 2 screw holes. Now, when you put it on, you got to first we're going to start with the bottom, and then we're just going to slide it up. So we've got to get this little nodule in that hole there. Okay, so we got to get the nodules in. Once we get those in, we'll be looking good. But you got to kind of push. You're going to have to kind of like separate. There we go. So you got to kind of push these apart to get this in there, you see? See how it is? I haven't even put the screw in yet, and it's still holding it pretty good. So now we got to put some screws in. We're going to need 2. 1 on each side. So let's put this one in first, right here. If I can find the hole. That's what she said. Okay, that one's in there. Get the other side. Again, trying to find the hole is a pain in the butt. Where's that hole at? Come on, hole. No, there's a hole there. Ah, got it. Okay, good. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're getting in there. Getting close. I think we're getting close. Is it going in? No, there we go. You have to move it around a little bit to find the threads. Look at that. See that? Make sure this one's tight. I don't know if it matters how tight you get these at first, because we got to put 2 more in. This one doesn't want to. I don't know what's going on there. Right, then we just bring it up like that.
Oh.
And then put that one in.
Oh,
Ooh,
they're adorable.
look at that.
They look like meerkats.
Nice.
Or ferrets.
Bam! Bob's your uncle. Say, pretty nice chair. Now I just got to put this thing on the back. I think that's
That's
it.
it?
All right, here we go. Let's get this last piece on here.
Maybe I don't need
Let's
this.
get it in there. Just got to get it on there. And we'll do one at a time.
So, here.
Yeah, just one. Okay, now let's get the second one.
Does the
Start
chair
it.
go up and down?
Yeah. Hey, is the bear Catholic? Are the Kennedys gun shy?
Are the Kennedys gun shy?
Should have brought power tools. Ah, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Wow, that is good. Hey, check it. Look at me gaming. I'm gaming now.
Yes.
She's going to use it for gaming. That's why she wanted this chair. You to try it out. Go ahead, sit on it. Oh, look, there it is. It's all set up.
Indication of what the house looks like.
Wow.
It's really gross.
That's fantastic.